Okay, hello guys, welcome to Green Door Tarot. Today we are seeking information to know how's the week of October 11th to October 16th going to be for the Aries zodiac sign. So I already took the liberty to shuffle the cards and they are here all set to be read for you guys. I have used crystal oracle cards and we have psychic tarot deck and golden wheel deck for you guys. So here we go. Excuse me guys, I'm having coughs, so please forgive me for that. Okay. Interesting. Very nice. Okay, so here we have, let me show you the cards. 10 of Wands, Strength, 5 Swords. We have King of Cups, the handsome cups. And we have Ace of Swords over here. From the Psychic Tarot, we have Partnership and Alliances and Firm Foundation. And from the Crystal cards, we have Aquamarine. So I see that some of you are actually going to start a week with too much of workload. You might end up taking so much more than you can actually handle. So guys, don't do that. Don't pressurize yourself. Don't take too much of burden onto yourself. The start of the week is going to be that way for you. I think as the week prolongs, I see that some of you are actually going to start working on your hopes and fears. So when I say this hopes and fears, it's a sort of first of all analyzing that what you are actually bad at, what you actually need to work on, understanding that, analyzing that, and then finally taming those hopes and fears of you guys. So the Strength card over here tells me that you are going to work on yourself. You're going to work on your strengths, you're going to work on your fears, and you are going to actually tame them, and tame them in a way that you can use that in a very positive manner. Okay, and as the week goes on, I see that some of you are actually going to have, this could be some sort of a argument or some sort of a discussion, a heated argument, a heated discussion, or you can say some word arguments basically, where you might end up saying things to your partner, to your colleagues, to your family members, things that you don't really mean, but you might end up doing that. And trust me guys, you are actually going to end up having that guilt. So don't do that. I do see that some of you might end up doing that. So I'm telling you beforehand, be careful. But as the week goes on, I think you might, so this is a very interesting story over here. I feel that after doing that, after probably having ended up being in a argument or in a heated discussion, you might actually feel like pondering your partner. You might actually take a step and would like to just convince them emotionally, just try to pamper them, just try to probably just show that okay fine, I'm sorry I did this, but don't feel so much bad, I've got so much emotions for you. I don't know, the King of Cups over here makes me feel that you're actually going to convince your partner and you're going to be very mischief about it, because I see this guy over here, he's like, he knows he's done a mistake, okay, he knows he's done something wrong, but he just doesn't want his partner to go away from him, or just feeling bad about it. So he would make all his efforts, put all his 100% in convincing you, in trying to pamper you. So some of you girls out there, you're actually going to get pampered, so be prepared for that. Now we also have Ace of Swords over here. This could, to me sometimes it looks like you might end up daydreaming, or you might actually come up with new ideas. So when I say swords is basically an airy, it's an air element, okay, and when we say air element, it usually comes to me, it comes to the thought of daydreaming. It could also be daydreaming, it could also be planning, some sort of planning, probably laying a foundation, because we also have this card, firm foundation. So I do feel that some of you guys are actually going to set up probably create a plan for yourself, come up with a new plan, and probably going to work on the firm foundation. So this is going to be very interesting. I also have partnership and alliances. This could also mean that you guys are going to work on your plans, going to lay a good foundation, and then actually think about coming up with good partnership and good alliances. It could also mean that with partnership and alliances, I also feel that it could mean that do not spoil the existing partnership and alliances that you have. Just don't end up doing things that you might regret later, because you don't want to do that. So do work on your alliances, do work on your partnerships, and make sure that you do not end up doing things that you might regret or have a guilt later. And now we have a crystal card message. It says so we have aquamarine over here. It says divine life purpose. Trust the signs and your inner guidance which are leading you to fulfillment. That's definitely true, because we have strength card over here, firm foundation, and partnership and alliances. So trust the people around you, trust your inner strength, and trust the guidance that the universe is trying to give you, and flow with it. So basically a quick summary or a quick gist of the October 11th to October 16th week for you Aries guys out there is that the week might start with something really heavy, too much for you to carry on, too much burden to work on. But you will probably you will start working on your strength. You're going to work on your strength, you're going to work on your inner guidance that you might want to work on, and you're going to tame them. And a caution here, guys, do not end up into a argument or in a discussion with anybody. Don't try to break the partnership and alliances that you have. Work on them and work on your firm foundations. Whatever plans you have, you might come across a lot of plans, a lot of thinking. You might actually do a lot of brainstorming as well. So whatever you guys decide, lay a firm foundation for it and be strong enough. And like the aquamarine card says over here, trust the signs and your inner guidance which are leading you to fulfillment. So that is it, guys. Please subscribe. If you felt that my reading resonated with you, please do subscribe to my channel, The Green Joe Tarot. Please subscribe. Bye bye.